Okay, so what about white? Yes, white is available. Okay, white is going to be accessed by going into color picker mode, not selecting a color, but adding the clash, doing a clash effect on the blade, and it will move to white, and then you can select white. I'll show you here. So we're in color picker mode. Okay, I'm going to put a clash effect, and it starts to go white. Now that it's white, I select it, and it's white. Okay, what essentially happens is that whatever color you're on when you start to clash, it goes more and more and more pale, becomes more and more white. So there's a handful of whites that you can select as well. But now you'll see that it's white. And if I want to add an effect, and now I have the effect on the white blade, right? Again, it all comes down to the timing of the off and then on sequence.